Apex Corporation in Cadillac, Michigan, with an 850 square foot model priced at $69,000 for a shell or starting at $140,000. One bed, one bath house. Price, $39,000. Location, 135 Malibu Way, Newport, Tennessee, 37821. Property details. Type, house, tiny home. Size, 8.5 by 16 with loft. Bedrooms, 1. Bathrooms, 1. Furnished, yes. Include shed. Lease lot rent, $300 per month. New features. New mini-split Kentucky hardwood floors. Condition, triple mint. Financing, no owner financing. Listed, 12 hours ago. Getting around. Walk score, 0 out of 100. Almost all errands require a car. Bike score, 24 out of 100. Minimal cycling infrastructure. Nearby schools. Cottages High School, 3 out of 10 rating, provided by great schools. Hand-built tiny house. Price, $26,000 or best offer. Location, Geneva, New York. Details. Condition, used like new. Size, 12 feet wide x 24 feet long. Total, 288 square feet. Foundation, not affixed, portable. Electric system, 120V AC for lights and receptacles. GFCIs included. Inverter and charge controller for off-grid, solar-powered battery backup. Interior features, tiled shower and tile entrance. Working and vented wood stove. Handmade sycamore countertop. Fully insulated roof, floor, and walls. Painted interior with window/door casings and baseboards. Kitchen includes shelves, apartment-sized gas stove/oven, and fridge/freezer. Exterior features, local hemlock board and batten siding. Metal roof and gutters. Utility closet. Houses electrical, plumbing, drains, and storage. Mobility, not on a trailer. Buyer responsible for transport. Seller willing to assist in arrangements. Notes: no land included in the sale. Never lived in despite being built for permanent residence. Serious inquiries only. 2022 custom-built tiny house on wheels. Price, $71,000 or best offer. Location, Garnett, Kansas. Details. Condition, used like new. Size, 8 feet by 24 feet, 12 feet minus 8 inches at tallest point. Weight, 13,200 pounds. Mobility, built on 2 axles with new 14-ply tires. Easily movable for camping, RV parks, or off-grid living. Can be delivered to buyer's location. Utilities and off-grid features. Solar system, 1,500 watts of solar panels on the roof. Inverter and 2 24V lithium batteries. 30-amp electric box. Climate control, 9,000 BTU mini-split. Heat and AC that runs off batteries/solar. With stove inside. Water system, exterior water hookup. 30-gallon fresh water tank. 30-gallon gray and black water tanks. RV water filter system installed. Construction and materials. Walls, 2x4 studs 16-inch O/C with 3 spray foam insulation. Exterior, 7/16 OSB with house wrap and painted T1-11 siding. White metal roof. Floor, steel floor joist 16-inch O/C with insulated floor. 3/4 OSB flooring. Vinyl waterproof flooring, 1/4 inch thick. Interior, 6-inch wood tongue and groove walls/ceiling. Handcrafted sturdy cabinets. Pocket doors on rooms. Living and storage features. Sleeping areas. 4-foot loft and 6 loft. Fits a full-size mattress. Murphy bed full-size. Work and dining. Fold-up desk. Fold-down table. Storage and extras. Back porch roof with fold-up porch. 2 cargo platforms on the back. Front storage box for breaker box, inverter, and batteries. All appliances included. Reason for selling. Seller needs a bigger home for their family. Contact info. Call or text the seller for inquiries. Fully completed 10 by 16 building. Price, $15,000. Firm, no negotiation. Location, Butler, Tennessee. Details, condition, used like new. Size, 10 feet by 16 feet. Originally purchased as a shed completely finished into a livable space. Features, fully insulated. Recessed lighting. Recessed electric fireplace heater. Window unit AC included. Important notes. No bathroom or shower. Meant to be a room or office, not a tiny house. Buyer responsible for moving the structure. Payment, cash or cashier's check only. Firm price. Seller invested significantly into finishing the shed. Pictures available. Covers all angles of the empty space. Like new, but better repo. Fire 14 by 24 log cabin. Price, $10,000. Location, Clare, Michigan. Details, condition, used like new repo. Size, 14 feet by 24 feet. Construction, log cabin / cottage. Interior, insulation started, needs finishing. Great condition. Financing and delivery. $100 down for guaranteed approval rent-to-own option. Free delivery within 50 miles of Clare, Michigan. Cabin for sale, 2025. Price, $43,000 or best offer. Location, Muskegon, Michigan. Details, condition, used good. Size, 14 feet by 40 feet. Fully finished cabin, can be used as a main residence, office, hunting cabin, or getaway. Interior features, tiled bathroom with stand-up shower. Kitchenette, hot water heater. Includes bunk beds, washer/dryer combo. Additional info, cabin only, no land included. Buyer responsible for removal. Seller will help disconnect everything. Tiny cottage for sale. Price, $10,670. Location, Delano, Tennessee. Details, condition new. Size, 14 feet by 32 feet. Construction, Amish craftsman made. Features, windows, 4 double-pane windows with shutters. Roof, black metal roof. Door, 36-inch steel door. Walls and flooring, 16-inch OC walls. 2x6 floor joists. Exterior, white siding with black trim. Payment options, rent-to-own, no credit check required. 90 days same as cash. Cash purchase available. Delivery, free delivery within 40 miles. Seller, Circustent Hawassi Shed Circustent. Round Pushpin address, 105 County Road 875, Etowah, Tennessee. Tiny house for sale. Price, $15,000. Location, North Little Rock, Arkansas. Details, condition, used good. Size, 10 feet by 16 feet with loft. Fully insulated. Plumbing and electric completed. Interior features, full kitchen. Full bathroom with 42-inch by 42-inch shower. Loft, fits a king-size mattress with 4-foot headroom. Uses, office, she shed / man cave. Rental property. Additional info, buyer responsible for moving. Delivery available anywhere in Arkansas for $500. Serious inquiries only. Tiny house / portable building. Price, $35,000. Location, Gentry, Arkansas. Details, condition, used like new. Size, 12 feet by 36 feet. Move-in ready. Interior features, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Window unit for heat and air. Additional info, buyer responsible for moving. Seller will not respond to, is this available? Private message if interested. Tiny home shell. Price, $25,500. Location, Paducah, Kentucky. Details, condition new. Size, 14 feet by 30 feet. Style, Victorian cabin. Features, insulated ceiling and floor. Insulated windows. Electrical installed. Composite decking. ready for customization. Tiny home, office, etc. Delivery and financing. Ready for delivery. Payment options. Cash sales. No credit check, rent to own. No money down, simple interest financing. Pre-qualify with no impact on credit. Tiny home, cabin 14 by 24 modern office. Price, $39,433. Location, Holland, Ohio. Details, condition new. Size, 14 feet by 24 feet. Fully customizable, design it to fit your needs. Delivery and financing. Free delivery within 50 miles of Holland, Ohio. 24-month interest-free financing available. Rent-to-own options. No credit checks required. Additional info. High demand? Act fast. Direct message seller for inquiries or to schedule delivery. Portable building repo. Price, $19,286. Location, Trenton, Tennessee. Details. Condition, used like new repo. Size, 12 feet by 40 feet. Exterior, white center cabin. Black shutters. Copper roof. Electrical, fully wired with 200 amp breaker. Potential uses. Tiny home shell. Office, studio, or workshop. Purchase options. Buy outright plus tax. Rent to own available. Seller information. Scorpion Portable Buildings. Round pushpin address. 1 Fruitland Road, Humboldt, Tennessee, 38343. Telephone receiver contact. Message seller for more details. DIY log cabin. Price, $83,100. Location, Stanley, Wisconsin. Details. Condition new. Cabin size, 16 foot by 32 foot main cabin with 16 foot by 24 foot extension. Spacious 3-bedroom layout. 8 foot by 32 foot front porch and 6 foot by 16 foot back porch. Great for outdoor relaxation. Material, solid white pine, tongue and groove logs for a strong and durable structure. What's included? Heavy checkmark all wood materials to construct the cabin shell and porches. Heavy checkmark screws, caulk, and foam. Everything needed to build. Not included. Steel roofing. Windows. Additional info. Can be built on any foundation. Expert tech support available. Limited availability. Act fast. Country cabin / tiny home repo. Price, $10,402. Location, Conway, Arkansas. Details. Condition, used good repo. Size, 14 feet by 28 feet. Features, insulated windows. Spacious layout. Delivery and financing. Delivery and setup included within 50 miles. Payment plan available. $400 per month plus tax. Seller information. Round pushpin address. 2350 East Oak Street, Conway, Arkansas. Telephone receiver phone. 479-647-9824. Hunting cabin on skids or trailer. Price, $20,000. Trailer additional $7,500. Location, Ontario, Wisconsin. Details. Condition new. Size, 12 feet wide by 16 feet long. Originally built as an ice cream shop. Plans changed, now for sale. Potential uses. Airbnb cabin. Hunting shack. Man cave / she shed. Tiny home. Features. Heavy checkmark water holding tanks included. Heavy checkmark mini split system. Provides both heat and air conditioning. Heavy checkmark electrical installed for regular and large equipment. Modifications possible. Additional info. Some finishing work still needed. Food equipment also available for sale upon inquiry. Decking currently fixed to trailer. Seller contact. Telephone receiver 608-487-7999. Apex Corporation in Cadillac, Michigan, with an 850 square foot model priced at $69,000 for a shell or starting at $145,000 for a fully finished unit. The homes feature 2 bedrooms, a full bath, high-end construction materials, and energy-efficient features designed to meet Michigan's energy code requirements. The homes include Spacious kitchen/living room with high-end finishes. Pine tongue and groove ceilings throughout. Engineered floor system and metal roofing/siding. Granite or quartz countertops, slow-close kitchen cabinets. Energy-efficient insulation and systems for heating/cooling. Available with a choice of a raised crawl space or full basement foundation. Ready for permits with stamp plans.